Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to activate your Monzo card. So first thing you're going to need to do is just open your Monzo application and then just log into your account if needed. Once you're logged in and in the home page, tap on the account at the bottom, which is presented by a card icon, this one. And then from here you can see an activate my card button. So since you want to activate your card, you just have to tap on this one. Once you do that, you just have to type in here the 16-digit number, which is in your card. So you just have to type in here, and then you just have to confirm. Tap on this one. And then once you do that, this notification will then pop up, which is your card is ready to go. That means that your card is already activated. And then you just have to tap on done. And that's it. It's very quick and easy. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!